am 39 years old and I have found a bronzer that isn't viral but probably should be. It goes on so lightweight and layerable and it blends out beautifully. It's a gorgeous shade of bronze, not pooling orange, and it doesn't cling to texture on skin. And fun fact, I'm actually 38 right now, but by the time I post this video, I will be 39 because this weekend is my birthday. And reaching my more maturing years, shall we call them, I've gotten a little bit tired of gimmicky cosmetic brands. And by that I just mean brands that are starting to feel more like they are built on a foundation of the attention economy rather than a quality product. And that's not to say that there aren't brands who are using the attention economy to grow themselves that don't make good products. There are plenty that are, but I kind of wanted to move away from that, and I was looking for something with a little bit more of a long-term reputation, something a little bit more classically reliable, something that wasn't leaning into this very gimmicky nature of how you've got places like TikTok Shop that are starting to feel very much like the old school home shopping networks, if you know what I mean. And on top of that, I was looking for a product that could be layered on easily, not something where the second I touch brush to skin, it's like there's so much product it won't blend out. And I was actually looking for something that didn't have shimmer in it. I feel as though we went from the era of crazy liquid metallic highlighters to kind of returning to a fully mattified look. And now we seem to be throwing highlighter into other products instead of just letting them stand alone. So blushes have shimmer, bronzers have shimmer, our primers have shimmer, and the whole gamut. So this miracle bronzer that I have settled upon as my new favorite is this one by Lancome. This is their CE Skin Transforming Bronzer. Mine is in shade 2 Light. And you can see it's this beautiful matte bronzer. Now on the camera it does look orange because it is a warm bronzer, but you can see it here on my cheek right now. You can see it in the application video that I'm going to be showing you here throughout the video. It goes on very lightly, it's very layerable, it's very blendable, and I do have some texture on my cheeks. I feel like this doesn't accentuate the texture the way that a sparkly product does, and I've also been wearing this for a couple weeks now, and I also have not noticed it making my texture worse. I definitely feel like products that have that sparkle element to them tend to make my texture worse. I don't know if that's just my skin or if that's universally true. Let me know if that's something you experience. And as I said, it is a nice warm bronze. When we're talking about bronze, there is warmth there. It's the effect of what sunlight would do to your skin as opposed to something more like a contour powder that's going to be more gray because you're using it to create a shadow. So even when you want something that pulls bronze and not orange, it's still going to be warm, but the trick is keeping a warm bronzer that doesn't go so far warm that it then becomes orange and it's like that fake tan of the 90s look. So it is a little bit pricier of a product, but I'm at the age where I would rather pay a little bit more for a very high quality product than pay a gimmicky price and end up with a product that I'm not happy with. So if you want to give this a try, I've got it linked down below for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back with more reviews and other videos soon.